Hello, today I'm going to read Big Truck Day. Honk, honk, zoom. Up with the sun, no time to play. Let's all get ready for Big Truck Day. Start at the station and fill up the tank. Truckers have plenty of people to thank. Suds up the scrubbers and get that rig clean. Drivers take pride in a polished machine. Buckle those helmets and put on the gear. Start up your engines. Big Truck Day is here. Wonder what's in the truck. Honk, whoosh, ahoo-ga, vroom, wahoo, beep, chigga-chigga, zoom. Bang, hiss, slow, slow slump. Cool off that motor, let's hook up the pump. Uphill slow, downhill fast. Turn left at the corner. It's the library at last. Big Truck Day. Library in a truck. Wave in the trucks, get them parked in straight lines. Welcome the drivers and set up the signs. Yippee, mira, hooray, yahoo, brr, thunk-a-thunk, toot, ooh, ooh. Feel the rumble clear down to your toes. Let the engine smell tickle your nose. You in the driver's seat, hear those trucks roar. Push all the buttons. What are they for? Come on. Oops. There we go. Thank you to drivers, to dreamers who care. Now we have oodles of stories to share. Books are for all kids, no matter how tall. 3 cheers for the book truck, the best truck of all. The story behind the bookmobile. Bookmobiles bring books to readers who don't live near a library. They are found around the world. In Norway, books come by boat. In Colombia, they travel by biblioburro. Camels bring books to children in Kenya, and Laos has an elephant library. In 1839 in the United States, Harper and Brothers created the first mobile library, a collection of books in wooden trunks designed to travel by stagecoach to far-flung schools in the West. In the early 1900s, librarians in Maryland and South Carolina built mule train wagons to bring books to families who lived far from the library. Horses were the key ingredient in the pack horse libraries, which operated through the Great Depression. As more rural communities got roads, mobile libraries moved into converted trucks and buses. The newest, greenest innovation in mobile libraries is the book bicycle. Watch for the bookmobile where you live or help create a new one. I am grateful for the libraries and bookstores in my community. I believe all families need access to books, no matter where they live. Roseanne Perry. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.